Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question and a topic of margin of error. Let's dive into it. A survey was conducted among 800 residents of a city to determine their support for a new recycling program. The results show that between 60% and 66% support the program. What is the margin of error? Okay, we got some information here, but the information we need really bad is the percentages we got. First of all, we're gonna find the range of the data we got, and as you know, the range is found by the biggest number subtracted by the smallest number. So in this case, 66% minus 60%, which will give us as the range 6%. But that is not the margin of error yet, so don't confuse yourself. Now we have to find the midpoint, and the midpoint is kind of the mean. You have to add the number or the data you got and divide it by the number of data you got. So let me show you how that works. 60% and 66% divided by 2. Why by 2? Because we only got 2 data as information we got, so divided by 2 is the most accurate way to do that. That equals to, I'm going to set up an equation by the way. That equals to, but you don't have to set an equation actually, but it is just the easiest way how to do it. That equals to our range divided by 2. Why divide by 2? Because we divided by 2 on one side, so we have to do the same thing on the other side. So 60 plus 66 equals to 126 divided by 2 equals to 6 divided by 2. 126 divided by 2 is 63%, and that equals to 3. So 63 equals, that is our midpoint, and 3% is our margin of error. And now how to know that this is the true answer. As we know, 63 is our margin. No, 63% is our midpoint. So either 63 plus 3 or 63 minus 3. These have to equal to 60% and 66. 63 plus 3 is 66, and 63 minus 3 is 60. So that is the correct answer. We solved it correctly. So let's eliminate A, 63% with a margin error of 6%. Now, you have the correct midpoint. 63 plus 6 is 69, so that is not the correct answer. It has to give us 66 or 60, so that is incorrect, so we can eliminate that. B says 63% with a margin error of 3%. That is actually correct. That's what we've done. Now, C says between 60% and 66% of all residents support the program. That is actually kind of true, but that is not what we were looking for. We were looking for the margin of error and not at some random claim. So we're going to eliminate that. D says if another random sample of 800 residents were surveyed, 63% would support the program. We don't know that. And that is irrelevant too if it was correct anyway, because we search for the margin of error. So B is the correct answer for this given question. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you. See you next time.